Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best Infinity Gauntlet is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after collectibles for any Marvel fan, and this LEGO set brings that legendary power right into your hands, allowing you to recreate the awe-inspiring might of Thanos with an incredible level of detail and interactive features that will make you feel like the Mad Titan himself. Number 5. LEGO Star Wars The Razor Crest 75292. Embark on an epic building adventure with this detailed LEGO brick model of the Razor Crest starship. It's inspired by the iconic Star Wars, The Mandalorian series. Assemble your crew with 4 LEGO Star Wars minifigures, The Mandalorian, Greef Karga, Scout Trooper, and the child, Baby Yoda. An IG-11 droid figure is also included. This starship boasts a dual minifigure cockpit, 2 spring-loaded shooters, and a detachable escape pod for thrilling play. It's ready for any mission. Easily access the interior through opening side boarding ramps. Discover carbonite bounty elements and a cozy sleeping area within the cargo hold. Recreate intense battles from The Mandalorian and the child's journey. Use the included weapons to face off against the Scout Trooper and other formidable enemies. This collectible LEGO Star Wars set is the perfect birthday present or any day gift. It's ideal for Star Wars fans, boys, and girls aged 10 and up. What we like. This set brings the iconic Razor Crest to life with incredible detail. If you are a fan of The Mandalorian and love collecting unique minifigures, this is the perfect addition to your collection. It offers great playability and display value for any Star Wars enthusiast. What people say. This is a fantastic display piece. The Infinity Gauntlet is a great build and looks amazing on display. It is a fun build and looks great on a shelf. Number 4. LEGO Marvel Nano Gauntlet 76223. Introducing the LEGO Marvel Nano Gauntlet, a detailed recreation of the iconic Iron Man gauntlet from Avengers: Endgame. It includes all 6 Infinity Stones and a display stand. This eye-catching model brings the captivating style of the Marvel Cinematic Universe right into your home or office. It's the perfect piece of decor for any fan. This piece of Marvel memorabilia features the Nano Gauntlet with movable, jointed fingers. You can position it into a variety of dynamic poses. Designed especially for adults, this set offers a relaxing and rewarding building experience. It's the perfect way to pay homage to your favorite Marvel movie. This LEGO Marvel collectible makes a great Avengers-themed gift for him or her. It's also a fantastic personal treat for any movie or model-making enthusiast. What we like. This is a stunning recreation of the Nano Gauntlet, complete with all 6 Infinity Stones. If you're looking for a sophisticated display piece that pays homage to Avengers: Endgame, this set is ideal. Its movable fingers allow for dynamic posing, making it a fantastic desk or shelf decoration for any Marvel fan. What people say. This set is a fantastic display piece, with intricate details that capture the essence of the Infinity Gauntlet. The build is surprisingly sturdy once completed, and the individual Infinity Stones are well represented with vibrant colors. It's a satisfying build for both LEGO enthusiasts and Marvel fans, offering a good balance of challenge and enjoyment. Number 3. LEGO Creator Expert Assembly Square 10255. Step into the vibrant assembly square, a bustling hub of activity. This modular building offers endless possibilities for display and enjoyment. Explore the intricate facade, complete with charming windows and doors. Every detail is crafted to bring this scene to life. Bring your creation to life with 8 unique minifigures. From a dentist to a dancer, each character adds personality to the square. This set is compatible with all LEGO construction sets, opening up a universe of creative building. Let your imagination run wild. Standing over 13 inches high and 14 inches wide, this impressive model is a true centerpiece. It's perfect for builders aged 16 and up. With 4,002 pieces, this set provides hours of engaging building fun. It's an ideal gift for any LEGO enthusiast. What we like. This assembly square offers an incredibly detailed and expansive building experience. If you enjoy intricate cityscapes and modular building, this set is perfect for you. It provides endless display possibilities and a rewarding challenge for experienced builders, making it a centerpiece for any LEGO collection. What people say. The Infinity Gauntlet is a fantastic display piece, with intricate details and a satisfying build. It's surprisingly heavy and feels substantial in hand, making it a great desk ornament. The gold plating is very well done, and the individual infinity stones really pop. Number 2. YEABRICKS LED light for LEGO Infinity Gauntlet 76191. This LED light kit is the perfect addition to your LEGO 76191 Marvel Infinity Gauntlet building blocks model. It's designed to bring your creation to life. Please note that this package contains only the LED light kit. The LEGO set itself is not included in this purchase. Looking for a cool gift? This light kit will illuminate their LEGO set, making it an ideal present for birthdays or holidays for any model enthusiast. Assembly is a breeze with our detailed instructions. Simply scan the QR code in the box for a step-by-step guide to easily install the lights. We are here to help. If you encounter any issues or have questions during installation, please reach out to us. We are always ready to assist you. What we like. This LED light kit is designed to bring your LEGO Marvel Infinity Gauntlet to life. If you already own the Infinity Gauntlet set and want to elevate its presentation, this is a must-have. It adds a dramatic flair, making your display piece truly stand out, especially in low light conditions. What people say. The Infinity Gauntlet is a fantastic display piece. It's a challenging but rewarding build, perfect for adult fans. The gold pieces really make it pop and look authentic. Number 1. LEGO Marvel Hulkbuster 76210 Building Set. Unleash the ultimate power with the LEGO Marvel Hulkbuster 76210 Building Set. Inspired by the Avengers, this impressive model brings the iconic Hulkbuster 44 Malawian Kwachas to life. This massive 4,049-piece set meticulously recreates the Hulkbuster from Avengers: Age of Ultron. It features 3 light-up arc reactors, a fully articulated upper body, and an opening cockpit. The spacious cockpit is designed to perfectly fit the LEGO Marvel Iron Man figure, sold separately. This enhances the building experience and allows for dynamic display options. Complete with an information plate and a Tony Stark minifigure with tools, this set is a true conversation starter. It's a perfect display piece for any Marvel enthusiast. This challenging build and display project offers immense pleasure and fulfillment. It's an ideal gift for adult model makers and Marvel fans, providing enjoyment long after construction is complete. What we like. This colossal Hulkbuster model is an impressive display piece for adult collectors. If you are a fan of Avengers, Age of Ultron and appreciate detailed, large-scale replicas, this set is for you. Its authentic details and imposing presence make it a fantastic conversation starter and a rewarding build. What people say. The Infinity Gauntlet is a fantastic display piece, with intricate details and a satisfying build. It's surprisingly large and feels substantial when completed, making it a great centerpiece for any Marvel fan's collection. The individual Infinity Stones are removable, which is a cool feature for display or play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.